Good morning everyone. My name is Akash Kanikar Shinde, a student from Delhi College of Engineering and Management, Nagpur. And today I am excited to present my project developed during Emertxe Certified Embedded Systems Internships Washing Machine Controller using PIC16F877A. This project is a real-time embedded system application simulating the functionality of a household washing machine using microcontroller logic. During this internship, I had the opportunity to gain both theoretical insight and hands-on experience in embedded system development. I worked extensively in embedded C programming, microcontroller architecture, and simulation tools, and developed a strong grasp of system design and peripheral interfaces. The main objective was to design and implement a fully functional washing machine controller. Some of key goals included simulating real-world washing machine behavior, design state machine logic to manage complex washing cycles, handling multiple inputs and output peripherals, implementing the complete logic on PIC16F877A, and testing it using PICSimLab. The controller operates through defined stages. The user selects a program using a keypad. Water level adjusts based on the load. The system goes through wash, rinse, and spin stages. Real-time feedback is displayed on the CLCD and audible alerts are given through a buzzer. This diagram shows a hardware interconnection. At the core is the PIC16F877A microcontroller connected to a 6-key keypad for user input, a 16x4 character LCD for displaying status, a buzzer for an alert. Each key and each key and output is mapped to a specific function and the logic is handled through a state transition inside the microcontroller. Tools and components. The development involved both hardware and software tool. Hardware PIC16F877A 6-key keypad LCD and buzzer. Software MPLAB X IDE, X8 compiler and PICSimLab simulation and for debugging. Key features. Some notable key features of controller include a power on animation and on the CLCD, support for 12 washing programs and 5 water levels, timer based execution with pause rhythm functionality, real time alert and clear end of cycle notification. This feature contribute to enhance user friendly experience. Challenges and solution. Like any real project, I face some key challenges. Timer not updating, solved by correcting ICR logic, key bouncing on SW4, resolved through better debouncing logic, buzzer issues, fixed by configuring PRIS register properly, LCD overlap solved by inserting clear screen command and delays. Each challenge helped deepen my debugging and problem solving skills. Conclusion and demo real-time system design in action. In, clo- in, conclu- in conclusion, in conclusion, in conclusion, this project was an excellent opportunity to apply embedded system and concept to a real-world automation problem. I learned how to translate real-world appliances behavior into microcontroller logic, manage peripheral and ensure reliability using simulation tools like PICSimLab. This experience has strengthened my interest in embedded system and design and prepared me for future roles in automation and control systems. Now let's move on to the demo of washing machine controller system in action. In this simulation, I will walk through how system behaves step by step. Just look real washing machine. Thank you.
So in the left side, you can see the MPLAB IDE, which I have used to write all the codes in. And in the right side, you can see the PICSimLab simulation. So in here, first, how I am using the simulation is we have to load the hex file, which is generated by X, XC8 compiler by compiling the MPLAB X IDE code. So this is the hex file, which is the machine understandable language thing that the simulation and microcontroller can understand. When I select it, uh, so I have to press switch 5 to start the washing machine. I have pressed the switch 5 and it is in the powering mode on powering on screen. Then it has a switch to the washing program screen. I can select any thing which I want by clicking switch 4 one time to scroll anything. Like I will select Eco Cotton. When I long press, it will move on to the next screen by selecting Eco Cottons. In this screen, I can say same thing is here, switch 4 to scroll between everything. And when I long press, it will select that. I will select max water level. And in this screen, I have uh, we have seen if user wants to change anything afterwards, he can change it. Like if I press switch 6, it will again move me back to the washing program screen. And the C, the state has been managed to eco cotton. Like eco cotton was selected by me, so the state has been preserved. So it is not working from the start and we have to scroll down. No, it will be preserved in this. So eco cotton. And in this also the state has been preserved in water level screen. I will select max. And when this is the selected, I will press switch 5 to start. So this is the program. This is the status screen. Like it was the name of the program and the time which is taken. And here we can see as I cannot use a motor, we have used fan to represent the motor of the washing machine running. And you can see the timer is updating real time, and the function which it will be updating real time also. It is based on the calculation which I showed earlier. Now it is in the rinse cycle. Now it will go to the spin cycle in any moment. And here you can also pause the washing machine. In the pause, if you, for example, press the pause machine in your washing home at your home in the washing machine, it will stop the washing machine right and there. So you can also continue it after, you can continue it from there or you can stop it from there also. So I can also start. And the door selection, the thing about the door open screen, I will show you now. So switch one, I have to start the program, sorry. Switch one is present. You will hear the buzzer and it will continue from there. And I have implemented a buzzer also at the end of the program in the completion screen to tell you about the washing machine as washing cycle has been completed. You can remove your clothes. I will again show you the door implementation. It was very short. Again, long press to select the program. Again, long press to select the water level. Again, switch 5 to start. This is eco cotton and time required for is 29 seconds. In this, when I press the switch one, it will represent the door is open and it will stop the fan and the buzzer will sound. When I release the switch, it will continue working as it was from where it was stopped. So you can see switch 6 to pause, switch 5 to start. I will let this complete so you can see the full demo. The buzzer sounded representing that the washing cycle is completed. So this is the washing program simulation that was given by the Emertxe requirement and my implementation. I will also show you the code. This is the main.c code where the main function of the screen relies and where all the implementation of the every screen and function comes to the main.c code. So we in this case from the start we have press key 5 to power on the washing machine. This is the power on screen. Then we are clearing the screen and using the power on screen function, which we have implemented elsewhere in the file. We have implemented a while loop to check for the uh, key presses and the when the operation mode like which is start screen, washing program screen, water level screen, anything. And in the washing machine function definition, we have implemented everything that is needed on in the power on screen powering on the washing machine with the the blocks which are loading from left to right. It is here washing program display like the which washing program is being used and water level screen in key this key function is required to select the program which we want to do. And in the run program, it is about the displaying of the time. Like uh, we have to display it in minutes and seconds, but we need to tell the microcontroller what a minute is and what the second is in this. And we can also see the set time. This is the we can use an to array for this, but in this case, we have used switch case, which is easy to understand and easy to implement. Array will be much more advanced, and it is array is used everywhere. But for this simple demo, we have used switch case like every daily washing program. The case one minimum time. This is the low time, medium, high, and max. So we have given the time and minutes and the time required for each program here. Like dry only mode will only dry, so there is no need for that. It will directly start from the dry cycle and the door status chart. If the RB0 is the when this key is holded onto, it will show door is open. Please close the door, and it in that time it will turn off the fan. It will turn off the timer. It will turn on the buzzer. Timer is off, so it cannot be kept running in the background. Buzzer is on, so we have the auditory confirmation that door has been open. When the key has been released, the fan will turn on, timer will turn on, and buzzer will go off. And the clear screen is just to erase anything from the memory of the screen. This is used to if any letters from the previous screen are occurring, we use clear screen also. So in the conclusion of this project, I have gained the hands-on understanding of embedded system using microcontroller and PICSimLab, which is really helpful. I will be implementing many more projects with the embedded systems. Future scope of this is add real hardware support. Like currently, this is a simulation. If I gain access to the hardware, I will be able to implement it more efficiently and more nicely. And I am in this include EPROMs to store previous cycle. Like you can when the washing machine is next day you are coming washing machine you are starting. It will store the previous cycle. Like you selected eco cotton last time, it will start from eco cotton. Like it will not start from daily program number 02. You have to select press and move on to the program you need. I need to implement that if I am able to get the hardware of that. So thank you. Happy to take any question about the my simulation and my project. You can comment on the video down below about the your reviews and what changes you might like to make me and what update I can do to improve this project.